I'm sorry, Lieutenant. You can be sure the Dean will be with you in a few moments.
That's all right, ma'am. We're used to it.
Hey, what's good, everybody? Welcome to another episode of the Dean's List. Tonight's feature presentation is called In a Violent Nature 2024. Now, this shit looked crazy. Right away when I seen it, it caught my interest. It looked like the whole movie is shot from the killer's perspective. That shit never been done before. Fuck all the talking, y'all. Let's get it. Shudder been making some shit lately, I ain't gonna front. But we gonna see how this do. In a Violent Nature.
What is that? A necklace or something. Looks like gold.
Hey, maybe it's here for a reason.
Well, we are in the middle of a graveyard after all.
Oh, don't say
Wow.
crap.
Hey, Troy, you coming?
Yeah.
Oh shit. Boy, he took the shit. Homeboy moved the charm and now, what, he waking up from the grave? He said they was on a grave site. Now this motherfucker waking up. I ain't gonna front, my man look like Jason though. Oh shit. Some shit caught in the trap. All that noise, that shit bringing boy in.
Come on inside. Dig a load off. Step in one of these.
They don't even know boy is just walking up on them.
I see you in the park again, Chuck. I'm coming back with the sheriff.
Oh, boy is out of here. He dead, though. Yeah, you missed him. But you gonna go get him, though. They're leaving doors open.
Son of a bitch. Stupid son.
What the fuck, G?
He thought it was the other dude. How he took his shit from him? Oh, he don't even need it. He stepped in a trap, right? Yep, caught in the trap. He about to do you dirty. Bloody hands. Damn. It's crazy. Ain't no music or nothing. All you hear is the insects and him walking. Uh-oh. Got some new victims.
Hey, what were you talking about earlier?
What was that?
The slaughter thing.
Like a murder?
Yeah. My uncle used to live around here. He told me the whole thing. So like 70 years ago. Everywhere 100 miles in every direction was leased out by this logging company. He was out of work for months. And they would blame Johnny for it. So they decided to teach him a lesson. Just one of the men in a creepy old firefighter's mask waiting to scare him. Johnny fell from the tower. And the men freaked out, so they put one of the firefighter masks on him to make it look like he was playing up there by himself and tripped and fell. But when Johnny's dad found the body a day later, he knew those guys had something to do with it. And when the dust settled, Johnny's dad was dead.
Damn.
So what happened next?
A couple of the execs from the company showed up to the camp, and every single person was dead. Some say it was the man in the mask. Some say it was Johnny's spirit trying to get revenge.
Yep.
Wait, let me just get one without...
Oh boy, Johnny watching, boy. Uh-oh. Oh, shit. Ooh. Damn. Oh, shit. Oh, shit. I didn't even know he was dragging him.
It looks a lot like swimming, doesn't it?
Oh, shit.
You really think this was gonna work? What? Is everything that you're doing?
He gonna pop out of the water on him.
Why don't you come find me when you're done your swim?
Yeah, it's over. He's smooth though, I ain't gonna front. Yep. Now he gonna walk over, go get her homegirl.
You're finally gonna show?
Yeah, that's not her. Why you ain't run the other way? Oh shit, she just stood there. Damn. She just stood there, y'all. Run to the side. Damn. Oh shit. Oh. Calm down, boy. Yo. Holy shit. Damn, she dead already. Whoa. Type of shit is that? She wanted to do yoga, right? Wow. It's a hell of a lot of walking, boy. But I feel you. We're getting his perspective, you know what I mean? We just walking.
Go fucking get me. What's your problem?
Wow. Damn.
No, don't touch me.
He look fucked up.
Cold's dead dad fucked him. But he doesn't get to kill my whole fucking weekend too.
What? You think there wasn't anyone else in that picture? Well, look at this. I found it on the ground out there.
Oh shit. Setting a trap.
Hey, tough guy! Fucking shit, I know you are!
Look how he set him up though. Oh shit. Ooh. Oh shit, who that? Yep. On some Undertaker shit. Damn. He about to crush you.
Please, help!
Oh, shit.
Troy! Troy, we gotta fucking go! Aaron's dead!
You better look. He right there, girl.
It's blood.
Oh, shit.
Are you listening?
Where did you get that necklace?
Listen to us!
Where did you get that necklace?
That's his mother's necklace. It's the only thing holding his soul at rest.
Okay, fine, then we'll just give it back.
You can't just give it back. He's awake now.
It's a wrap. Yeah, he walking up on you right now.
You remember me? I remember what you did 10 years ago.
You know, I never believed him when he told me the story.
What is he walking up to him
I
for?
put him in the ground.
He about to put you in the ground, boy.
This time I'll make sure he stays there.
Grab his leg, man.
1.
Mm-mm.
2. Stop shaking. 3.
Oh, got him. See? Told you. Should have blew his head off first. Woo. Yeah, they bullshitting. They should have knocked his fucking head off and shit. See how long he stay out for that. Yeah, look. Damn. Damn. He not even dead. He went to go get a chainsaw or some shit and make an example out you, bruh. And you can't do nothing about it. Oh, shit. This gonna be crazy. Oh, shit. I don't know if I'm ready. I mean, he already dead, but shit. He ain't fully dead. Oh, man. I'm not ready, y'all. Oh, shit. Ooh, shit. Oh, shit. Hold on, boy. Ooh. Oh, shit. The name of this shit is called In a Violent Nature. Not in a nice nature, you know what I mean?
Johnny! Come and get us! We're right here!
Uh-oh.
What are you waiting for?
This shit is crazy, though. I ain't gonna front. If this was Friday the 13th, we'll be watching it from Jason's perspective, not the counselors. We always see it from the counselor's perspective and shit. Uh-oh. They lining you up, boy. The stalker getting stalked.
Oh my God, he sees us.
Shh. You got to keep quiet.
He like, shut the fuck up.
I've got to distract him. You go to the fire tower and set up the trap.
Come on, you ugly son of a bitch!
Oh,
We're right
shit. Ooh, told you. Damn. My man wasn't quick enough. Tried to distract him. That shit ain't work. Your man got his shit split. Still splitting his shit. Why she ain't running though? I mean, come on. Damn. Still standing there looking. She had more than enough time to do that shit, boy. I tell you. She's slow as hell.
Take it as best you can. We'll get you to the hospital real quick.
Tell me what happened to you back there.
Was an animal.
Jesus. But I have got to stop the bleeding in your leg.
Okay, so let's go. Let's go. Get
in
in
the
the
car
car
and
and go to the hospital, please.
Sorry.
Okay, my peoples. That was In a Violent Nature, 2024. And I gotta say, it was alright. It was alright. It was interesting as fuck, seeing it from the killer's perspective, but at the same time, that was the drawback. The movie is following the killer Johnny every step of the way, literally. So that means you got a lot of stretched out long scenes of him just walking. After a while, I can't front, it got a little annoying. But I understand it because it's from the killer's perspective. The kill scenes was crazy. The yoga death scene, that was bananas. And like I said, since it's from the killer's perspective, you don't really get a character build up. So when it got to the scene where it was clearly the final girl, you didn't really feel nothing. You didn't really feel like, Shorty made it because we didn't follow her. We was following the killer. But all in all, I enjoyed it. The shit was different. It was a little slow here and there, of course, but it does make the Dean's List. So, like, share, and subscribe. Hit the bell on the side. Make sure you don't miss out on the new shows coming out from your guy. I don't know what I'm gonna watch, but I guarantee you, it'll be something crappy from the 80s or a more up-to-date joint like this. Peace, y'all.